Look at him. Bobo. Let me stop playing. Let him sleep.
Okay, you woke his ass up.
Sleeping up. Y'all, the crazy thing is, y'all don't know how many times a day that we get, is this a girl?
Not for real. I just went downstairs and they talking about some. She's so pretty.
This is a whole boy. He just got good hair, bro. That's it. Wake up, Bobo. Wake up. Bobo. Wake up, man. You don't sleepy. You don't sleepy. He don't like, bro. I ain't got time for this shit today, bro. Where y'all going, bro? We outside. Tell them what up, gang. That twin, y'all. That twin. That my baby right here. Y'all know. I love my twin. She do everything for me. My dog. Look at baiting them. Bobo. What you doing? Getting in the back. Oh, I'll make sure. They try to make me drive. Oh, I ain't driving today. Bobo. Say what up, gang. Yeah, I told y'all I'm sick, bro.
What, clean?
That boy not clean.
Like clean?
That boy not clean. We at Ross. Twin talking about I'm clean. I ain't got no shit. This ain't no drip. Then what we got, bro? So we going to the racetrack today. Since we going to the racetrack today, we got Bobo some headphones. I don't know how. I know them cars, them drag cars, they be loud and shit. So got on some headphones. And I got this. It ain't no. This the best little selfie stick type of little setup they had. So I'm just use this right here. I'm gonna put it on the phone, see what it look like. Dude, we looking like, bro. I fuck with it though. This little setup straight right here. This is all I need. She don't want to record me, y'all.
No.
That shit gay.
You just don't want to hold your stick.
I do it. Wifey. Yes, I do. I just want, yeah.
You turn it face forward now. Don't use the back. Oh, yeah, definitely. Yeah.
That's too much, bro.
No, it ain't. You used to it, bro.
Y'all see how she treat me good. That jersey clean as hell. That be clean. I think what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna go with the Justin Herbert jersey. Yeah, I'm gonna just go with the Herbert, bro. Go with the Justin Herbert jersey. The bag secured. Let's do it. I don't know, man. I'm looking for some earrings. I like white diamonds though, bro. Clarity. Bobo. Look at babe. She over here looking at rings. I'm just cast out on the big boy motherfucker. I'm playing with you, man. Clarity. On a crime.
Thank you.
Alright, man.
Thank you, sir.
Twin got one of the little, what they call? I don't even know what they call the little corn dog thing. What it taste like?
Yeah, Parmesan, hot Cheeto, and honey mustard.
I want to see what it tastes like.
Mozzarella cheese.
Let me know if it's good. You got french fries on too. Cheapo. That motherfucker look good. That bitch look good. Is it got some sauce on it. Look that whole bunch of little shit going on in it. Look good. That whole like hit. What they wanted for it?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. We'll recommend. Bro, we finally at the mall, bro. Finally at the mall. Finna go get ready. We finna go ahead and get ready to go. So we go to the racetrack. We got out here, bro.
Babysitting, y'all. I'm babysitting right now. I'm being doodle right now.
Babysitting. What lane you like? What lane you like, Al? Power right lane. Power right lane. Nah, left lane. Left lane. Left lane. Fuck right lane. Right lane got his ass. Right lane, bro. Right lane. Right lane. Left lane. I can't go in this train. Funny, that shit gay. Just said as soon as I called it, I said Bill with the right lane. I said Bill. Yeah, money don't make no money. Fuck. It's over now. I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn a jet on the left lane. You walking, bro? You walking, gang? Yeah.